2021 almost end.
So,
Why so cold? Oi.
it's like yesterday we got married and suddenly, like, what can you say before this year ends?
Maybe we can talk later.
Why later?
Cook fast.
Wow, so bossy, huh?
Let's cook together.
I'm almost done and then you wanted to cook together.
Because I finished editing.
Are you finished? Excuse.
Let's cook together.
I'm almost done. No need.
Unfortunately, there's a generator but a few electricity, so we cannot use the fridge. If we bought some meat, we need to cook immediately.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna reheat it.
Anyway, let's do it.
Gambate, minasang, gambaru. What? Let's go
To buy
to buy honey bunny.
ice, oy.
Oh, ice.
Ice cube.
Let's go to buy honey bunny. It's really good to do things like that.
Yeah.
Really fun.
Voila.
Wala.
Now we are going back to the darkness.
Yeah.
Let's eat.
Hi. Itadakimasu. Okay.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Let's eat na.
Let's eat na.
Happy New Year, honey bunny. Did you put already?
Yep.
The toilet? The toilet?
Yeah.
The
Yours is toilet. Mine is other.
So mean. Oops. Kampai, minasang Happy New Year. Viva sa bagong tuig.
Is it cold?
So. Can we ask ice? Oh, really sure.
No choice, let's go.
I'll shake.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she's outside.
Thank you. Money. You really have a thick face, huh? Really thick face. You're using me, huh? You're using me. Anyway.
What he said?
He said, don't buy ice. And I said, give me ice.
こだわりレモンサワー。
乾杯。Okay, 乾杯。
乾杯。
What kind of alcohol is this?
You don't like it?
What kind of alcohol is this? Lemon alcohol?
うまっ。
First is like a little bit bitter, but if you keep drinking, it's good.
うん。チーズ、マンゴー、ビスケット、アルコホール、drunk.
I'm not drunk, bitch. Why you choose this one?
Because we bought wine. Nami ka? Good choice. How was it in 2021?
So many challenges. Lockdown, COVID, and then really a lot of challenges than before. Before the COVID, it's chill, good life.
But we always laughing. That's the most important.
True.
Why we could survive with smile? Because always someone help us. There's a support.
It actually encourage us to do something, not giving up.
I hope we make someone to laugh or smile. But first, I wanna make you smile. Like this.
Just you're talkative with your drunk.
Important time, we need to smoke cool.
So you think you're cool. Well, we're very lucky because only the roof blown away. That's it. Other houses are totally damaged and really broken. So we're very lucky. Pambate.
酔っ払ってしまって新年明ける前に寝ちゃいました。この後ねお隣さんの、年越しパーティーがまたあるのでそれまでちょっと寝ようと思います。おやすみなさい。おはよう。That alcohol too strong.
I have to pee first.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, ha?
Viva sa bago et
Viva sa bagong tuig. Viva sa Happy New Year! Bye-bye!
How about this?
It's like somebody showing.
You need to collect the round one.
Round? Yes, yes.
Uy, what's this?
Bigla.
Let's sleep lah.
Yeah. Minasan, Happy New Year.
明けましておめでとうございます。
おはよう。
違う違う、明けましておめでとうございます。明けましておめでとうございます。
おめでとうございます。
今年も
今年も
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
またね。
またねー。